Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a checkbox to a calendar in Notion. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Notion account and open the workspace where you want to make changes. Choose the specific workspace that fits your task management needs. Once inside, type Database in the command bar to bring up database options. Select Database Inline so the table appears directly on your current page. Next, give your new table a title that matches your project, timeline, or task list. After that, click New Page to add entries. Each page can represent a date or a task you want to track in your calendar. Now, click Add Property and choose Date. This lets you assign specific deadlines or appointments to each task. After that, repeat the step and select Checkbox. The checkbox will allow you to mark tasks as complete and visually track progress. Using checkboxes in your Notion calendar keeps everything organized and makes it easy to manage deadlines while boosting productivity. So that's basically how you can add a checkbox to a calendar in Notion. That's it for this video. Thanks.